Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. बातिल से दबने वाले आसमां नहीं हम, बातिल से दबने वाले आसमां नहीं हम, 100 बार कर चुका है तू इम्तिहान हमारा. Respected principals, teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I am happy to join you in celebrating the Defense Day, and it's a matter of great pleasure to me that I am addressing to some of the present and future corporate leaders of this country. As all of you know that we are celebrating 47th Defense Day of Pakistan. Dear fellows, we are celebrating this day and the memory of those beloved soldiers who fought bravely and died in Indo-Pak War of 1965, but made successful of Lahore and other important cities of Pakistan. शहीद इन वतन के हौसले थे तीर के काबिल, शहीद इन वतन के हौसले थे तीर के काबिल, वहाँ पर शुक्र करते थे जहाँ पर सब्र मुश्किल था. On 6 September 1965, Indian Army attacked Pakistan from Lahore Turki sector side. It ended a United Nations mandated ceasefire. Pakistani officers like Captain Sarwar Shaheed, Major Muhammad Akram Shaheed, Lance Naib Muhammad Mahfouz Shaheed, Major Tufail Shaheed, Major Raza Aziz Bhatti Shaheed sacrificed their lives for awarding with Nishani Haider for their acts of exceptional bravery. A lot of programs are organized every year on Defense Day of Pakistani military forces arrange different